What is Metaverse and how to buy land in Metaverse? In today's video, we are going to talk about the most trending technology and how you can earn money from the universal virtual world. Even you can buy a virtual land.
Is this shocking?
When I heard about that, the same situation I was in, and later I accept that. If you are not aware, this important video is for you. The concept we are talking about is a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection. I mean, it's Metaverse. Before we start this informative and important video, I request you to subscribe Digimen International and give us a chance to bring more informative videos for you. After plenty of speculations, Facebook, the company that owns platforms including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, rebranded as Meta on 29th of October 2021. Zuckerberg and the company have looked into the future. Facebook's focus on the metaverse is a brilliant business move, which is a new chapter of internet and business opportunity. Facebook to Meta is an attempt to usher in the metaverse, a new world built in virtual reality. The way we are using internet is still there. However, internet is more advanced these days and is growing. The purpose of making this informative video is to educate you about metaverse and let you know more about the income streams from Metaverse, a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on a social connection, which we call a Metaverse. In futurism and science fiction, it is often described as a hypothetical iteration of the internet as a single, universal virtual world that is facilitated by the use of virtual and augmented reality headsets. You might be thinking about, is Metaverse AR or VR? Well, the Metaverse uses augmented and virtual reality, AR, VR, in mixture with artificial intelligence and blockchain to create scalable and correct virtual worlds. The Metaverse is the future of the internet. It will allow people to go beyond their computer screens and experience new things. The Metaverse will be a place where you can meet people who are physically miles apart from you and interact with them in a more natural way. This is the coming together of two long-standing concepts, virtual reality and a digital second life. Technologists have envisioned a time when our virtual lives are as significant as our physical ones for decades. In principle, we would spend a lot of time in virtual space connecting with our friends and co-workers. As a result, we would spend money on costumes and stuff for our digital avatars there as well. Virtual reality serves as a computing platform for leading a second life online in what tech people like Mr. Zuckerberg refer to as a metaverse. Virtual reality involves wearing a headset that immerses you in a three-dimensional environment. You interact with virtual things using motion sensing controllers and converse with others using a microphone. In simple words, I've explained what exactly metaverse is. Now, I want to move forward. If any point is missing or I left, kindly write your question in comment box and let me answer in more detail. So after understanding the metaverse, here are a list of options you can make money online from metaverse. I'm showing these options on my screen. You can pause this video and note down. However, our main topic is how to buy land in Metaverse. The first one, play to earn games. Second, online shopping. Third, online partying and concert participation. Fourth, become real estate dealer of prime properties. Sixth, land renting on Metaverse, run e-commerce business on Metaverse and delivery in real world, open art gallery and promote business. If you are interested in what I'm talking about, there are some more important things which you need to know about. There are a couple of large third-party marketplaces where you can buy a Metaverse real estate. Arguably, the most popular are OpenSea and nonfungible.com. Both allow you to see historical property sales and properties currently for sale. First, we must have a digital crypto wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is an app that allows cryptocurrency users to store and retrieve their digital assets. You can't buy anything in Metaverse by using fiat money like paper money or coins. So, you should have digital crypto wallet. When a user acquires cryptocurrency such as bitcoins, he can store it in a cryptocurrency wallet and from there use it to make transactions. Second, select your real estate platform. We all know that there are many of virtual metaverses are available in which you can buy your land or property. The most popular are Decentraland and Sandbox, and OpenSea is also a great option as well. But Sandbox and Decentraland are one of the best for buying land in Metaverse. Browse and select your favorite land. In virtual Metaverse, there are many pieces of land are available. Select the land you want to buy. Before buying a land, check the location and prices. Because due to famous location, the price of land is increased. It may be expensive. Then connect your wallet. The most important thing is to buy land in Metaverse is to connect your wallet to your account to confirm your purchase. Once you confirm your purchase, your virtual real estate will send you the official documents and ownership of your virtual land or property. We have learned what is Metaverse and how to purchase land in Metaverse. Last but not the least, here I'm telling you about the most popular Metaverse. Number 1 is Decentraland. Arimeli and Esteban Ardano, both from Argentina, founded Decentraland, an open source 3D virtual world platform in 2015. Number 2 is Somnium Space. Arthur Sykov's brainchild, Somnium Space is a VR world on the Metaverse. Number 3 is the Sandbox. So there are the most popular Metaverse exists. I hope you understand Metaverse and learn how to make money from it. And hope you have watched the full video and enjoyed. Kindly like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Comment below on which topic you want next videos. We mostly focus on digital world and most advanced contents. Hope to see you again. Thank you.